Press Windows key plus R. Type temp in the dialog box and hit enter. Continue. Select all and hit delete button. Check do for this all selected items and skip. Type %temp% in the dialog box and hit enter. Select all and hit delete button. Check do for this all selected items and skip. Press Windows key plus R. Type recent in the dialog box and hit enter. Select all and hit delete button. Clean your recycle bin. Search Disk Cleanup here. Open Disk Cleanup app. Click OK. Select the All Temp and Previous Windows Update. Click Clean Up System Files button. OK. OK. Delete files. Press Windows key plus R. Type tree in the dialog box and hit enter. Your system is now running faster. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for giving us another opportunity to serve you.